The next question says, the nature of demand indicates that as the price of a good increases, A, suppliers wish to sell less of it, B, more of it is produced, C, more of it is desired, and D, buyers desire to purchase less of it. So we're talking about the demand side, so anything that has to do with supply or production is not going to be the correct answer here, right? So A and B are not going to be right answers. A talks about suppliers, B talks about production, so we're going to eliminate those right off the bat. C says that as the price of a good increases, more of it is desired, and we know that this is the opposite of what the law of demand tells us. The law of demand tells us that when price goes up, quantity demand goes down, and so when price goes up, we expect less of the good to be desired. And so answer choice D seems to be the only answer choice that works. Buyers desire to purchase less of it when the price of a good increases, and so we're going to go with D. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. So the previous tutor said that in economics, demand is the total quantity that a consumer wishes to purchase at a particular price and at a particular point of time. On the graph, it is shown by the demand curve, which shows the relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. The law of demand states that if the price of a good increases, then the quantity demanded of that particular good decreases, keeping the other factor input constant. So it means that the price increases, then the buyer's desire to purchase less of it. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. So yeah, good answer, nothing wrong with that.